What's going on, people? We're working on an 09 Acura TSX, and today I'm going to show you how to change your coil packs. Now, all you'll need to do this is 10 millimeter. There's a cover that goes right here, right in this area. There's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one's over there somewhere. Right there actually. You go ahead, remove those 4, set it to the side, then you take your 10 again, unscrew this 1 screw like I've already done. Then you're gonna lift up just a little bit, push down right here, remove that blue guy, and it's out. Simple, easy. You take your new one. Got this one from AutoZone for like 69 bucks or something like that. You go ahead, slide it down in there, reattach. Uh-oh, where'd that screw go? Grab your screw. Try to line everything up in there. Tighten it back down. Do the opposite. You're good to go. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you liked what you saw. And you want to see more car-related content, more drift content, all kind of good stuff. Rob.Z33. I'm out.